Good morning. Long time I not come live. So this morning I decided I'm gonna go live. I have a few things that I'm gonna touch this morning. You hear the cockacrow? Sound nice, eh? Sound good. Thanks for joining my live. Let me tell you guys something. You see, in life, if you can't control something, leave it alone. Do what you can do, and what you can do, just not do nothing. Because there's nothing you can do if you can't control things. Now pick up back them something and I go up on the veranda and sit down with them and chat. Yesterday was another day. Today it's a new day, new beginning. So for the people that live in the United Kingdom as a resident and have the 2.5 year, guys, una have to sort out on yourself. Them not go do it for no. Them say them a go send on no email. Nobody not send on no email. Nobody not send on no email from no home office cause enough people not get it. Some people might get it. Enough people don't get it. So you have to go start it by yourself. And once you start it by yourself and them say, then we send you the email to go further. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. People that live in the UK, I no need for run come here. So anything you're doing, you do gov UK. Gov UK, and you type in 31st slash 12 2024. Biometric expires. See it there? Wanna see? People in the UK wanna look. The expiration of a biometric resident permit on the December 31st, 2024 is due to the Home Office transition. Wanna see that? To a digital immigration. What's wrong with this? Immigration system. The BRP itself will expire, but the older immigration status permission to stay in the UK will remain the same. So make sure when you guys are doing it on a click gov. Put gov. Click that. On a click gov. Now I'm gonna charge your phone and come back, you know. Anybody on my live that have resident permit in the UK, this is what I'm gonna need to do. I'm gonna have to set up access to an e-visa. So you're gonna click that. Get access to your online immigration e-visa. Yeah? And I go scroll. Start now. So start now. I already help a few people. If you want me to help you, you text me. Me come off of the live and me can help you. So it's gonna come to here when it say, when were you granted your most recent permission to come to or stay in the UK? So if someone wanna get it, I was last granted permission to come or stay in the United Kingdom before 1st of November or after. If I before this, take this, you continue. You click which one applies to you. Have you ever had a biometric permit? You say yes, because this is what applies to us. If you're waiting, you no need to do this. Click this. This is for the people that have it. Do you still have your biometric? You say yes. Share the live, people, because enough people don't know this. Some of you go pay a solicitor. I don't need to pay a solicitor for nothing. Anything you're doing, make sure you're on a gov.uk. Yes, so to be valid, the BRP expiry date must be in the future. We only want this information to understand if we can use your BRP to confirm your identity. So if you still have it, you say yes. No, it expired less than a year ago. No, it expired over a year ago. This would apply to you because that means that you're illegal. If your paper's gone in, do not click nothing. Leave it to them. Then we sort it out. You don't get your papers yet. So continue. So they say create a UK visa immigration account. Yeah? Read. Some people not like to read. They want people do it for them and then come. Okay. Come back again. You're gonna create an account. Before you go ahead and create an account, you're gonna have to download an identity ID for UK where they can verify your status. Who are you creating this account for? You say me. If you're helping someone, you say someone. Continue. Then you start filling your detail, giving name, first name and middle name. Make sure you have a space, surname, and continue. So, I'm not going to go no further because I already done mine. I'm just trying to help some people. Ban Warrior, how are you doing? Yes, I'm only trying to help some people. Spread the love, share, like, comment. As I said to you, this is for people that's going through the immigration process in the UK, or if you're out here right now, you have to do this before you go back over. Otherwise, dog, name your supper, them not gonna do it. They don't care if you want to do it, yes or no. Biometric resident permit. Biometric resident permit. Guys, remember to update your documents. If you have a problem, you can report it. They will answer you by email. So make sure you have a proper email where they can answer to you what you do not need to report. Another thing, some people like myself, what happened was I came to Jamaica last year and renew my passport. Because I renew my passport, you have to inform the Home Office that you have a new passport. How my brother come here so with a nice time, not see me the pan your start talk. Yeah, you have to renew your passport if it expires, and you have to inform them that you have a new passport. So you're gonna go on the UK VI. When you're creating an account, you have to tell them about the new passport because the new passport has a different number. Okay. When you have a different passport, any documents that you update to the UK VI, so any documents that you update, that's the documents you're gonna use. As you can see, I have, let me flip camera. Yeah, helping you today. I have my old passport. When you have the old passport, they punch it. Now me have the new passport. So they punch this one. You're gonna have to, because Home Office had this one information, you're now gonna have to tell Home Office about the new passport. So once you tell the Home Office about the new passport, it has different number. That's the number you're gonna use when you start doing your UK VI new account. Okay. Any documents that you get recently pertaining to the UK, you're gonna have to inform them because that's the documents you're gonna work with. Wanna get it? If you don't get it, you can reach out to me. I am not a bad person. I'm willing to help some people because lots of people won't understand how to do it. Just reach out to me, inbox me, text me, and me will find time and call on the back. Okay? And remember, if you don't have a biometric and it expire, you don't need to do the new one, otherwise you're not going to stuck out here. And then you have to pay a solicitor now to fight for honor. You have to pay a solicitor.